The IPO season seems to be continuing. As markets are rallying, more and more companies are trying to go public. In recent times, Indian company, which has the franchisee of the American fast food chain, Burger King, is trying to go public. It's trying to list in the market. The promoter group is Asia PTE Limited. They are trying to take this quick service restaurant public. Let's see about this IPO and see whether it's worth investing. The company hopes to raise 810 crores. The company issue opens today and closes on the 4th of December. The company has reserved 10% of the portion for retail investors, up to 15% for non-institutional investors, and up to 75% for qualified institutional investors. What are the facts that you should know? First, the company is not profitable and is a loss-making company. So there are no profits to be shared. The lot size. Bids can be made for a minimum of 250 shares in multiples of 250 thereafter. So you should be willing to pay 250 rupees into 60, that is 15,000 rupees for a lot. So the minimum lot is 250, or you should be able to invest 15,000 rupees and multiples thereafter. The promoter entity is called QSR Asia PT Limited. Disinvest up to 6 crore shares, that is 360 crores. So out of the 810 crores, the promoter will exit up to 6 crores and the balance 450 crores will go into making the company bigger. Why has it reduced so much is because there have been two rounds of raising money. Kotak Mahindra Capital Company and CSLA Private Limited plus Edelweiss Services Limited are the book managers to this offer. LinkTime India is the acting as a registrar to this company. The Burger King are supposed to list on the BSE and NSE after allotment is finalized on December 9th. So by the latest of 15th of December 2020, the shares will be listed on the market. So Burger King is the second largest quick service restaurant in the United States. The quick service Asia PTE has a master franchisee agreement for entire India, but they have not grown as fast as what McDonald's has done. Burger King is primarily listed to malls and is available in some either in Swiggy or Zomato. But the visibility and advertising has simply not been there. McDonald's has gone leaps and bounds ahead and has penetrated India in a big way. Even in the highways which I use between Bangalore and Chennai, McDonald's is there in many places. Burger King is completely absent. There are no Burger King outlets outside of malls. So they need this capital to expand rapidly. Burger King is a laggard and is making losses. So what have they done? Why is the size only 450 crores? What they have done is they have done a pre-IPO rights issue at 58 rupees in this year. Apart from that, they have sold some stock to AMSA Capital Singapore. So they have been adequately funded. That is why the issue size has been reduced from 810 to 450. The promoter is trying to take out the money that he is put in the rights issue. This 450 crores will be primarily utilized to expand the number of restaurants in the country. But in my opinion, Burger King will not be profitable for a long time. The COVID pandemic, as I have said several times, has destroyed the retail industry completely, and there is no possibility of it recovering quickly. Woodlands, which is on Radhakrishnan Road, had a branch in Mount Road and Mathura, which was running for 35 years. The pandemic has forced its closure. Saravana Bhavan, which is a big restaurant chain in South India and very popular in Madras, has been forced to close. The iconic one in Radhakrishnan Saleh, where when people used to go morning to the beach for a walk, used to have a cup of coffee. It has shut out of two restaurants in Ananagar. One restaurant has been shut. And since the High Court is not functioning fully, the Paris restaurant also has been shut. If premium vegetarian restaurants, which have been running for more than 40 years in the city of Madras, have been forced to close, there is no hope for Burger King. So it is going to bleed cash in the near future, and I don't see it turning profitable in the next 3 years. Therefore, I think you should skip this IPO. However, having said this, today IPO is a lottery, or you can call a casino. If you have the money and you don't mind losing some of 10 or 15% of it, you can throw the roll up dice. And if you are lucky to get it allotted at 60 rupees, the mania of IPO and stocks, fueled by the liquidity boom, will make sure this lists between 80 and 100 rupees. And if you are willing to sell it on day one, you will make a quick buck and pay short-term capital gains tax. Whether you want to risk that money or not is your choice. But the downside is limited. At best, you may lose 10 or 20 rupees. You should be able to get out of the stock at 40 rupees. But with powerful marquee names running the book running, they will make sure the support price of the stock is at 60 rupees and you should not lose. You may be very lucky and get out at 100 rupees. And for people who believe that stock market is a game for lottery and a quick buck, buying it at 60 and selling it at 100 makes a lot of sense, because you will make a more than 50% return in a matter of 3-4 days. This is something like akin to gambling, and if you are willing to do it, you can do it. The things are looking good for this because there's a continuous liquidity surge flowing into India from United States and the Western markets. Best of luck. Thank you for watching Be Rich. மணி பேச்சு சேனலுக்கு உங்கள் பேராதரவுக்கு எனக்கு மிக்க நன்றி. என்னோட 2 புக்கு இங்கிலீஷில் இன்னும் அவைலபிளாக இருக்குது. இங்கிலீஷ் புக் அவைலபிள் ஆகணுன்னா கீழே இருக்கிற வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பருக்கு மெசேஜ் அனுப்புங்க. எங்கள் டீம் உங்களை கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. செப்டம்பர் 26 ஒரு சேப்பு புக்கோட தமிழாக்கம் பண்ணிட்டோம். அந்த தமிழாக்கத்தை தமிழ் புக்காக தனியாக போட்டிருக்கோம். அந்த தமிழ் புக்கு வேணுங்கிறவங்களும் வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பருக்கு மெசேஜ் அனுப்பிச்சிங்கன்னா எங்கள் டீம் உங்களை கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. எங்கள்கிட்ட 2 இங்கிலீஷ் புக்கும் ஒரு தமிழ் புக்கும் இருக்குது. டைரெக்டாக என்னை கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணணுன்னு நினைக்கிறவங்க moneypechu@gmail.com மெயில் அனுப்பவும். If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification. If you use Kindle, you can buy the book using the Kindle link given below. If you want a hard copy, send a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would get in touch with you. At the very end, if you want to get in touch with me, please send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. I am grateful for your support of Be Rich.